Coming up on Disney News, significant progress on the refurbishment projects at Disney World, still no opening date decided for Disneyland California, and Christmas arrives at Walt Disney World. Coming up on this week's edition of Disney News. Hello everyone, the Disney Price here. Sorry it's been a long time since my last video. I've been in the middle of getting a new computer until now. But let's now get straight into the latest news from the Disney parks. Starting off in Disney World, where significant refurbishment projects are making progress. The current style of the entrance sign has been welcoming guests for decades, and I think it's about time we saw a refurb on it. Here's what the artist rendition of the sign will look like. In my opinion, it looks very modern and suitable for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World next year. The current status of the refurbishment is about 50% complete, so I guess we could see the finishing touches of the sign to be installed in the coming weeks. Moving over to Liberty Square in the Magic Kingdom, where speculation is happening on when the Hall of Presidents will see the addition of Joe Biden, the president-elect set to become the 46th president of the United States. When Donald Trump became president in January 2017, the attraction closed in early 2017 and did not reopen until December 2017. Therefore, my estimate is that we will not see the Hall of Presidents reopen until December 2022. Moving over to the West Coast, Disneyland still does not have an opening date. Recently, Disneyland Resort cancelled all of their reservations for the remainder of 2020, meaning the earliest possible date for reopening is early 2021. With the cases in the United States reaching over 100,000 daily infections, I think it is safe to say it will be a while before we see the reopening of Disneyland. And finally, Christmas has officially begun at Walt Disney World. The traditional decor has reappeared at the Magic Kingdom. Unfortunately, due to the current COVID restrictions, there are still to be no parades as such, but this year we will see a Santa's Christmas Cavalcade debuting. Nothing has stopped Disney from dressing Mickey and Minnie in their beloved Christmas costumes. Although COVID is making this year very weird, nothing is stopping Disney from making this Christmas the most magical one yet.